Hey friends, I'm Jomo, and today we're going to be playing Stardew Valley. Let's go. Morning, guys. Let's just warm our hands by the fire quickly before we get started with the day. And I also wanted to check the weather forecast for tomorrow. Welcome to Kozu 5, your number one source for weather, news, entertainment, and now the weather forecast for tomorrow. It's going to be clear and sunny all day. That's really good to know for tomorrow. Because it's so rainy out today, it's going to be nice for our little seedlings to get lots of sun for tomorrow. But since it's raining today, we don't really need to water our vegetables, so we can just go on with our day. And right now, we're just clearing a little bit of a path through the bottom entrance of our farm because eventually we're gonna have to clear all these rocks, all these little logs, all these weeds away because all that space is gonna become garden beds. Who's that? Did you guys see that? What is that? What was that? Can you guys let me know in the comments below? Sometimes when you're walking through the forest, you get to see animals like deer or elk or squirrels even, whatever's close by in your area. Well, it's a rainy day in Pelican Town, but that's okay. And hey, there's Shane. Hey, Shane. No, I don't have time to chat with you right now, says Shane. That's okay. It's 8:30 a.m., so Shane's on his way to work. We're just going down to the beach right now because we're gonna be doing some fishing. And right here, I've actually got a chest that we're gonna put right next to Willie's fish shop. Because what we need to do is put some of our goods and belongings and the items we're carrying around in there because we're only limited to a certain amount of space until we can upgrade our backpack and carry more stuff. And let's see if Willie has any bait. Hey, Willie. Doesn't look like he has any fish bait, but that's okay. We can just fish with our rod that Willie gave us. All right, guys, we are gonna do what we call a speed fishing session. And it's gonna be really quick. We're gonna count how many fish we can catch in a certain amount of time. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, we got one. Oh, one fish. That's one herring. Let's see if we can catch another. Oh, we got another bite. Oh, one sardine. That's two fish total. Oh, we got another sardine. That's three fish. We just got some seaweed. Oh, more seaweed. Oh, it's so fast. Oh, we got an anchovy. 3 + 1 = 4. We got 4 fish right now. We just got another. What's 4 + 1? Do you guys know? 4 + 1 is 5. We have 5 fish now, and we're just about to catch another one. That's 6 fish total we have. Let's see if we can catch some more. Oh, we just got another bite. Oh, another herring. We gotta get rid of some of these fish. So we just quickly sold some to Willie. So we have more space to carry even more fish. Oh, we got a treasure chest in that one. Looks like we got some kind of gemstone. We'll take that to Clint in a little bit to crack it open to see if there's any treasure or cool stones inside. Oh, we got one more fish here. Ah, another flounder. I wonder if we can catch one more. Oh my God, it's another one. All right, let's do it. Oh, a little sardine. Whew. Oh, that was crazy and lots of fun. Could you guys count how many fish we caught in total? Let me know in the comments, okay? Thanks for joining me with that speed fishing, you guys. Hey, let's chase off some seagulls. Have you guys ever done that at the beach before? It's so fun. You know what? I love the rain. It keeps our forests green and our air clean. Oh, hey, there's Alex. This is not good weather for sports, says Alex. Oh well, I can always lift weights inside. That's true. Alex is so good at exercising. Help wanted. Does anyone have any extra seaweed lying around? Clint. Seaweed? We have tons of seaweed. We even got a bunch of seaweed that we can bring to Clint, no problem. Pierre's is closed on Wednesday, so we'll have to come back tomorrow. But hey, there's Sebastian. Oh, you just moved in, right? That's cool, says Sebastian. Out of all the places you could live, you chose Pelican Town? Yeah, pretty much. I mean, not only is it where our grandpa's farm was, but we were also getting kind of tired and overworked living in the city. It sounded like Sebastian was maybe a little surprised that we moved to Pelican Town because maybe he's been living here his whole life and he wants to move out and see more of the world and feel the busyness of a big city. More daffodils up here. Come check this out. I got something cool to show you guys. Hey guys, I'm just at my family-in-law's house this weekend, and I wanted to show you all the daffodils they're growing. They're just popping out because it's spring. Check it out. Wow, see, look at these daffodils. These are real-life daffodils, and you guys have probably seen them around your neighborhood too. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And look at all these other daffodils over here. They're everywhere, guys. Look, there's even 4 more right here. Wow. The bees are gonna be really happy because when the bees come out, they're gonna climb right up into the middle of those daffodils and start harvesting the pollen. Isn't that cool? Will you guys let me know in the comments if you have any daffodils in your neighborhood? I also have another cool thing to show you guys, so check this out. Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick video taking you outside of Stardew Valley for a moment and show you some of the sprouts that I've been growing at home for the spring season coming up. So I'm just gonna switch the camera rotation and show you. Check it out. So right here we have both kitties, Suki and Tawny, who's giving himself a little bath right now. Right here next to them, we have our tomato seedlings. And so over here, we have heirloom tomatoes, which are big, plump, juicy tomatoes. And over here in the little green bin, we have cherry tomatoes, which are smaller kinds of tomatoes, but more grow on the vine. And it's enclosed, like you guys see this kind of plastic enclosure we have here. We've got 2 grow lights, 1, 2, because tomatoes need lots of sunlight. They basically think the grow lights are the sun. So they're climbing up to the sun. They're using the light, the energy to grow tall so their roots can grow deep as well. And you'll notice if you look closely that you can see little water droplings coming off of the seedlings, the edges of the seedlings. And what this plastic enclosure does is it keeps them warm and it keeps the moisture and the humidity levels high inside. It's like its own little ecosystem in there. Tomatoes are pretty, when they're growing from seedlings, you know, they need special care, right? They need a more humid environment, they need lots of light, and they need to be warm. So right here, you'll see that we've kind of made this little cardboard and tinfoil enclosure with a bright grow lamp because seedlings need to see where the light is. They need to grow up towards the light. And so when you have a grow light here, the seedlings kind of think it's the sun and they get energy to grow tall and their roots grow deep and strong. And I think here we've got some arugula, and I think down there we've got some radish, I think. So we've got all kinds of seeds growing, and they're just gonna keep getting taller and taller, and their roots are gonna get stronger and stronger. And we're gonna make sure that they're nice and watered, but not too much, because if you overwater seedlings, they won't grow properly. And this is also actually the perfect time to bring you guys outside and show you some of our planter beds. And you'll see right behind me here, we already have a few vegetables that we were growing in a little covered greenhouse over winter. And so we've got kale, and we've got some Swiss chard, and I think these are carrots. These are little carrots in the back. So they look pretty healthy now, and they'll grow even more in spring. And over here, I turned the camera around because I wanted to show you guys where we're gonna be planting most of our seedlings. We built 4 beds, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And so you'll see too, look at this. We've already planted some of our seedlings. And these are little arugula babies, and it looks like they're doing really well. And the soil we're using is a special organic garden soil. So most plants need special soil to grow strong and to grow properly. Isn't that amazing? We're growing vegetables in Stardew Valley, and we're also growing them in real life. And so throughout this series, in the next episodes, you guys, I'm going to be taking you outside of the game and into my own backyard to show you how we're growing vegetables in our backyard and to show you how easy it is. And my hope is that I can inspire you guys to try doing it yourself with your grown-ups. You know, one of the most magical things about this life we have is seeing how tiny, tiny little seeds can grow into big, juicy vegetables and big, juicy fruits. Right now it's bedtime though. We did a lot today. Speed fishing, we met Sebastian, we even sold some fish to Willie, and we're gonna call it a night. I'll see you guys tomorrow in Stardew Valley.